PLA on point. In this video, I show how to compare PLA 2 results with PLA 3.0. PLA 2.1 reached its end of life a few years ago, making it increasingly important for customers to migrate their PLA 2 assay data to the state-of-the-art PLA 3 environment. The PLA 3.0 Migration and Archiving Toolkit provides all necessary tools for a compliant safe transition. It allows for exporting PLA 2 data to the hard drive, archiving that data in PLA 3, migrating PLA 2 assays into PLA 3 documents, and comparing PLA 2 results with PLA 3. In the following, I explain the comparison procedure. I can either compare the results of a single assay, or of all assays from a project. To compare a single assay, I create a PLA 2 assay comparison document. Then I select the migrated PLA 3 document. The corresponding PLA 2 assay is detected automatically. The comparison settings allow me to specify the result's precision. I continue with aggregating the results into the document. Finally, I perform the comparison by clicking on Compare. The dashboard and report highlight any deviations between the results. To compare all assays from a project, I first create a PLA 2 assay comparison document, as template. I specify the comparison settings, and save the template. Then I create a PLA 2 bulk comparison document. I select the folder with the migrated PLA 3 documents. And the assay comparison template I just created. Finally, I perform the comparison by clicking on Compare. The dashboard highlights any deviations between the results. I can click the comparison details to investigate further. Deviations may occur in nonlinear fits because of an improved approximation routine in PLA 3.0, leading to very minor changes in the parameter estimates. That's how to compare PLA 2 results with PLA 3.0.